Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Hubstaff app. So first is head over to the hubstaff.com and sign up for an account if you don't have one already, or you can also download the app on your desktop, mobile, or even for your team's use. So here guys, once you're logged in the first step is to set up your project or task. Click on Projects tab, then hit Add Projects to create a new one. You can also name it, assign it to a team member, and set a budget or a deadline. So, this one, guys, allows you to organize your work into specific projects for better accountability. So, now let's start time to start. Click on the Start button next to the task or project you're working on. The Hub staff will begin recording your time. So you'll see the timer ticking as you work. You can pause or stop the timer so whenever needed. So this Hub staff also tracks screenshots and activity levels, but don't worry guys, you have control over these settings. So after a day of tracking, you can easily review your time logs and generate detailed reports. Just head to the Reports tab to see how much time you've spent on each task or project. So, and that's a wrap, guys. This website makes time tracking easy and efficient for both solo workers and teams. If you want to dive deeper into the features, explore the app settings and integrations. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.